Yes, she did. No. Maybe she. Yeah, actually says it's a tag. And take it, say it, no, I said I need this.
You're supposed to read it to brother. Get up there, Jack. He's reading to you and Mater.
No, that's me. She said it.
Lift it up so he can see.
Hello. I see her image. See, I see saying mental human. Danny Jackson. That's a day.
Is that the last page? What about skeleton and mummies behind you on Mommy's bed? Do you guys remember how to read that book?
Skeleton and meets mummy.
Skeleton meets the mummy. Get over there, Jack. Mater hasn't heard this story.
Mummy, and kiss. It's a turn. I made a puppy bed. No, please, puppy bed. Wait, my dad says.
Is that book harder to turn with the paper? You did it.
This is such Mommy toys. And he said sheep. Bobby, you teach her. It's so much. But
is it a monster?
how much?
What is it though? Is it really a monster? What is it?
But
it's a bat.
Easy bat, he said.
Only a bat, he says.
Whoosh, whoosh.
Whoosh,
So
swoosh.
much.
Is it a monster?
No, that's tea.
Oh, a tree? It's only a tree. What's the next page? He says, scritch, scratch. What's behind him?
Let's behind him. He's touching the young. Let's behind him. Let's behind him. Mommy. Mommy. Let's behind him. He's touching the young.
He's starting to run.
It's Mommy. He stopped sheep. Yes, he stopped sheep.
He says, oh my, it's a mummy?
It's a mummy. It's young and tissy. He's not mummy at all.
He's not a mummy at all? What is it?
That's Derek. Son, Derek.
His friend Derek?
Touch me, Mommy said.
He said, you tricked me?
You got me.
Does he say, let's go trick-or-treating now?
Let's just trick-or-treating. Me, trick-or-treating. Me too.
Say the and.
How about another?
How about look at Mommy and say, I love you. Hello? Anybody? Let's read it. You guys are really good readers today. Jack, you got to get closer so you can see the book. Move Mommy's pants. They're between you. Move Mommy's pants. Now maybe you need to help Mater. Good job, Mater. That's a good idea. Okay, now you can get close and Ben can read to you.
touch and you touch it. He spits you. And you.
You know I love you. Hey, no Mater. I love you.
I like someone to yes. Oh, Mother says yes you.
Mater says I love you too.
Cow.
Hey Ben, can you say I love you? Benji, look at Mom. Ben, look at Mom. Say I love you.
I love you.